GitHub session will include a lot of debugging incorrect entries. Stick around to watch how we identify issues and implement fixes so you can get through the DIY section.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Amazon Web Services AWS Generative AI Practitioner. If you have been following me, you already know I've shared tons of videos, Cloud Practitioner and Solutions Architect Labs. So this is the perfect next step to level up our cloud skills. First, do not forget to download the files that you are going to use for this lab. And let's go to S3 bucket. We are going to go to sales data bucket and upload the files that we downloaded. Okay. Let's upload. We can see what we have in sales data. This is one of the files. It's a JSON format. So this is when we download and see what is inside. Let's go to OpenSearch now. We are going to go to collections, collection area, copy that and go to indexes. Now we are going to review index name is here and vector field name. There is the vector field and mapping field, metadata, text chunk. Okay, let's go to Amazon Bedrock now. Here are the knowledge bases. Create a knowledge base, sales knowledge base, and we are going to choose an existing service role, which will be Bedrock KB role, knowledge base role. Data source will be Amazon S3. Let's go to next step and knowledge base S3. Let's change the data source name, S3 sales data. Let's browse to your right number. Sales data is this one and choose. Amazon Bedrock will be default parser, default chunking, and next. We are going to select a model, Titan embeddings on demand. Additional configurations, load vector embeddings, okay, this will be the use existing vector store, OpenSearch serverless, didn't accept that one. Okay, we pasted that and vector index name, knowledge base index, default vector, Bedrock text chunk, and next. Now we can create the knowledge base. This is the error I received. So index information is not correct. I didn't copy it. So I'm just going to go to OpenSearch and review the information. I'm going to open it in another tab so I can copy collections, indexes. Let's copy the name and go back, and we can edit the name. Vector index name, just copy that. Let me double check other information. Vector name. It's better if you don't close the OpenSearch service when you are reviewing this information, or if you do, you can just go back. And this will be metadata here. Just in case I've done typo, I'm just going to change it and click next, and now create knowledge base. So now I received another error, which is base storage configuration. There was a dimension place that I was able to put, so I'm going to just go to storage configuration and change the dimension that I didn't add before. Let's try the other one. Okay, so I selected the wrong embedding model. Let's try again. The status now looks available, and knowledge base ID is where we are going to use it in DIY section. So we can copy it or come back next time. And now we are going to synchronize the data source with this knowledge base. Easy, creating knowledge base, debugging was easy, overall experiment. Okay, optional, and submit. You don't have to do that, but that's we are synchronizing now. Okay, this is now completed. We are under knowledge bases, and let's test one. Test knowledge base. Let's select a model, Amazon Nova Lite, apply, and write the question: which product ID has the lowest Q1 sales? Product ID P019 had the lowest sales with 6,000 units. Let's see the details, and it is going to show us. The information. Let's ask for any company what was the annual sales. Total annual sales for any company were, and this is the sales revenue for each for the reports. So this is showing me the sales report already because I uploaded in Amazon S3. Let me show you. This is
when we first created, I also uploaded the second file, which apparently I was not supposed to, but because I did, it gave me the results. Under the sales data, I have the sales report as well. So it's 200, and also with the sales report, I have one additional file. That's why when I ask for the total revenue, it's giving me the answer, and it shows that it's referencing from sales report. So the AWS section was, I was supposed to go and upload here and synchronize the knowledge base again on Amazon Bedrock, and come again and check if the sales report exists. So I'm just going to go and take the knowledge base ID and validate my DIY section. This is the ID I copied, and validate. So it's asking me to configure two data sources. Let's go back to buckets, sales reports, and I'm going to upload the report here. This is the report, and upload. And this is uploaded. Let's go to knowledge base. Add another knowledge base from Amazon S3. Browse and reports, choose. Bedrock the file parser. Okay, and go next. Add data source. Now we are going to synchronize this one as well. I haven't changed the name, so I'm just going to synchronize it. It's synchronizing, and now I can check if it's working now. It's completed, and I can validate now. I can ask the same question, but because the report was already there, it was going to give the same answer. And now the DIY section is completed.
Alright everyone, that wraps up today's CloudQuest adventure. If you enjoyed this, make sure to check out other playlists on my channel where I will share other generative AI labs, Cloud Practitioner and Solutions Architect labs. There is plenty more hands-on learning waiting for you, and if you are interested in vibe coding, automations and exploring all kinds of tech topics, stick around and hit that follow button so you don't miss any of the upcoming content. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!